Hey everyone, welcome to Everything Podcast. I'm JB, and today we're digging deep into Jeff Bezos' obsession with customer focus and how it powered Amazon's rise from a small online bookstore to one of the world's biggest empires. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Let's jump right in. When Jeff Bezos started Amazon back in 1994, he didn't launch it as the massive marketplace we know today. Originally, it was just an online bookstore run out of his garage. But Bezos had a bigger vision right from the start, and one thing he was set on was building Amazon with an absolute focus on the customer. This wasn't just a slogan. It was a driving philosophy that pushed him and his team to think differently. He famously said, "We're not competitor-obsessed, we're customer-obsessed. We start with what the customer needs and we work backwards." This approach wasn't just revolutionary. It actually challenged the conventional thinking of the time. Most companies put profits and competition first, but Bezos placed his bets on customer loyalty and trust, and it changed everything. To see this customer obsession in action, look at the creation of Amazon Prime. Bezos introduced Prime in 2005, offering free 2-day shipping for an annual fee. This was a massive gamble because the idea of paying extra for shipping when many sites offered free options seemed counterintuitive. But Bezos understood something essential. Convenience is king. He knew customers valued speed and simplicity, and they'd be willing to pay for an experience that delivered on those fronts. And he was right. Amazon Prime not only brought millions of loyal customers into Amazon's ecosystem, but it also reshaped the entire e-commerce industry. Competitors were forced to catch up, and Prime became a cornerstone of Amazon's success. Another major pillar of Bezos' customer-first philosophy was Amazon's obsession with low prices. Rather than taking the typical corporate approach of maximizing short-term profits, Amazon consistently worked to cut costs and pass savings on to customers. In fact, Amazon famously cut the price of popular books and products, often selling them at break-even or even at a loss. While this might seem like a dangerous strategy, it built trust. Customers began to rely on Amazon as a reliable, affordable shopping hub, and that relationship strengthened over time. So, how did this dedication to low prices impact Amazon's growth? Customers kept coming back because they trusted that Amazon would always give them the best deal. And as the customer base grew, Amazon's size and scale allowed it to negotiate better prices with suppliers, further driving down costs. What Bezos understood was that a loyal customer who returns for years is more valuable than one who makes a single high-margin purchase. Amazon was able to reinvest that loyalty into new ventures, like its web services and devices, creating a massive network of interlinked businesses that all feed back into each other. Bezos' obsession with customer focus also extended to the Amazon experience itself, from the layout of the website to features like customer reviews. The idea of customer reviews might sound commonplace now, but when Amazon first launched this feature, it was groundbreaking. Allowing customers to leave both positive and negative reviews was risky. After all, a bad review could lead to lost sales. But Bezos believed transparency was key. He understood that customers valued the ability to make informed choices, even if it meant a product might get a few negative reviews. In the long run, this transparency built a deep-seated trust that set Amazon apart. Now, let's consider one of the lesser-known ways Amazon shows its commitment to customer service: the internal customer advocate role. Bezos would often include an empty chair in meetings and say, "That's for the customer." The idea was simple but profound. Decisions shouldn't be made in isolation from the customer's needs. And as Amazon grew, so did its methods for understanding and predicting what customers might want. From data-driven insights to machine learning algorithms, Amazon has leveraged cutting-edge technology to anticipate and serve customer needs. This tech-driven customer focus has made Amazon a leader not only in retail, but also in data and AI-driven customer service. This brings us to what I think is the biggest lesson in all of this. Bezos' approach wasn't just about customer satisfaction. It was about innovation driven by customer needs. For Bezos, focusing on customers created opportunities to be inventive and to continuously improve. This is a huge takeaway for anyone in business, or really anyone trying to create a meaningful impact in their work or life. By listening and responding to the people you serve, you can find ways to stand out and make lasting improvements. So, what can we learn from Jeff Bezos' approach? Whether you're running a business, working on a team, or just trying to improve your personal relationships, focusing on those you serve can yield incredible results. Take the time to ask, how can I make life easier for this person? How can I improve their experience? Even if it means going the extra mile, investing that energy often leads to stronger, more trusting relationships. Bezos' relentless customer focus helped Amazon evolve into one of the most innovative and successful companies in the world. It shows that putting others first can be a strategic advantage that benefits everyone in the long run. That's it for today's episode. Thanks for tuning in to Everything Podcast. If you found value in Bezos' customer-focused philosophy, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss out on new insights. I'm JB, and remember, whether you're on your commute, on a quick break, or just relaxing, make every moment count. Catch you next time.